We are pleased to show you the 2020 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, heads-up display, security system, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.